to today's CT Style Express. I'm Natasha Lubchenko. Suffering from mental health or substance abuse issues can happen to anyone, but studies show that our country's veterans are even more at risk. Here to discuss resources and treatments for vets and their families is Lauren Dahl, Senior Program Manager at Shoreline Clinic. Lauren, thanks for joining us. So how many vets are affected by these mental health issues or substance abuse issues?
So many vets are definitely directly impacted by mental health and substance use issues, often a result of PTSD or post-traumatic stress disorder. One of the main things that we focus on here is treating both of those types of disorders in vets, but as well as their families and loved ones who it could also affect.
Sure. And now talk to me about your specific resources and programs that you have available.
Sure. So here at BHcare, we are a CCBHC, which is a certified community behavioral health care. So we provide services really across the lifespan. So not only would we focus on the veteran themselves, but also their families. We provide a lot of different resources, such as clinical services, which would include intensive outpatient programs, which are groups. We have regular outpatient groups that meet once weekly. We have individual therapy, medication management, family types of therapy interventions. We also really focus on the physical health as well. So we really are an integrated care model.
And you say that the families are important as well. This does take a toll on them. So what services do you provide for, the spouses or the children affected by this?
Yeah, so we do provide therapy for children and spouses, other family members. So they would have really the option to do their own treatment and therapy or to work with the vet directly on issues that come up within the family. It really is a broad range of services because we try to meet the person where they are and where they're ready to begin their treatment.
And why do you think this is an important step for, our country's vets who might be suffering in silence? Why is this an important resource for them?
So it just affects so many vets, and it is something that sometimes is not spoken a lot about. There has been, I'm sure, a stigma behind PTSD and some of the symptoms of it. And I do think that some people are sometimes hesitant to seek help. So it's very important to advertise these services and let people know that we are available here to help.
And what would your message be to someone suffering who's maybe on the fence of seeking help? They're nervous. What would be your message to them?
To definitely reach out. We are available to consult. Our website is also available as a great resource. It's BHcare.org. So even if someone is on the fence, we are here and able to provide some information about what we have to offer.
Wonderful, Lauren. And you are located at multiple locations throughout the state?
Yes, we have several different locations. I am here in the Shoreline office that's located in Branford, but we do have locations throughout the state so that we can reach as many people as possible.
Great. Very important resources. Lauren Dahl from Shoreline Clinic, thank you so much for your time and for the information today.
Thank you so much.
And that is it for today's CT Style Express. I'm Natasha Lubchenko. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you right back here tomorrow.